Hey guys, it's me, Julie Varhold. Hello. Many of you keep asking me, how do I make these adorable Christmas skirts? Well, several of you have figured it out. It's a tree skirt. And you say, I can't wear those because my waist is too big. Oh, malarkey, you can too. Okay, easy as cake. I'll show you how to do it. This is only going to be maybe 5 minutes. Went to Goodwill yesterday, found this adorable one for $2.99. Start there if you're not sure. Okay, they have teeny tiny holes for the Christmas tree skirts because Christmas trees are teeny tiny. But all you have to do, I'm going to set this on the floor, is you take a tape measure, which I put over here, and you measure your waist. No one will see it but you, okay? Mine's approximately 30, okay, no, it's about, so I'll say 30, oh, I thought it was smaller than that. That's because I had the tape going the wrong way. I was going to say, here we go. It's 30 inches. Because see, I got fat within the last 15 minutes. All right, so my waist is 30 inches. Now what you're going to go for is a hole that's approximately an oval for your skirt. So you take your 30-inch, your measurement, and you kind of guesstimate where your center is, and you can lay it out like that right over the hole. Because you don't want a circle, because then it won't lay right on you. So you can take a piece of chalk if you want and kind of do a few lines so you know where you're going to be cutting. All right? Or you can take pins and needles and do it. All right, there's my circle. Very simple. That is what I'm going to cut out for my waist. There's not much, it's a little hole, but that's all you need. Now keep it right to your measurements. Don't go bigger because it looks tiny, but that's how big your waist really is. Okay, so cut it out. Very simple. Now if you have seam binding, you can get some matching seam binding and go around the hole, or you can take it and turn it over and sew it flat. But if you're gonna sew it, if you're gonna roll it over, then you need to take some of the inches away. Don't cut as much, because if you do that, it'll be too big. So seam binding to me works best. So I find a piece of matching seam binding, and here, I'm gonna do this, show you that it works. Put it around you. You got a new skirt. How hard was that? And you can wear it this way, and if you want, sew the bottom part closed up to about here and put either Velcro or a zipper. On this one, I put Velcro. The Velcro that was actually on the skirt, I unsewed it and re-sewed it here. So I do that, and then I just sewed the bottom part shut. But on this one is Velcro, and I took the bows off of the bottom of the skirt and repositioned them and added Velcro. There was also a matching stocking with this one, and I took the stocking and cut it and made a bib that can be Velcroed on and off, but I couldn't find where I put it. So anyway, how easy was that? So no excuses. If you guys want one, go make one. See, and it's still plenty long. So, bump a nose. We'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.